So in this video, we will actually cover how to give access to someone to another sub account if he or she already has access to one sub account. So that means giving access to multiple sub accounts. So for that purpose, you actually need to go to agency settings, and then when you are in agency settings, go to your team and search for the particular name or email or phone number. So let me show you. So I have added yeah, this one. So click on the edit and then go to roles and permissions, and then here you can see it is added into one sub account currently, this name. So let's add to another sub account. Let me see. Yes, so we have actually added it to another sub account. So now save. So in this way you can actually add someone to multiple sub accounts. So see you in the next video. Thank you.